Oh man, I've been working on this project for hours. I better save my file. I'm not going to be losing files anymore because I now have a flash drive. I'm going to plug this in and make sure I save my files on it. Man, this W drive rocks. I can save files to it and my computer can crash and my flash drives can die, but I don't have to worry because it'll save right to my W drive. And it's awesome. What's all this Google stuff? And where do I find that? I can't stand Google Drive. Why can't I just use my W drive? Wait, what? You said that I could use them both all together? That sounds great. So all I have to do is copy or cut that file and go up here to my Google Drive file stream, go into my drive, find the folder that I want and paste it in. And if I do that, you're telling me that it'll work here in my files on Google Drive file stream and be on the web version? Let's check this out. Pop that over there, pop that over here, open up Google Drive file stream here, open it up over here. That's the same file. So you're telling me here in Google Drive file stream, if I delete it here, it'll disappear over there? That's amazing. So let's see if that actually worked. It's gone, just like that. Wait. Let's try that again. There's a Word document in my Google Drive. What happens if I try and open that here on like a Chromebook? If I hit that open with, it'll open in Google Docs. That's crazy. And then I can edit it just like it's a regular Word file. I'm going to close that out. Let's take a look at this. What happens if I then try and open that same document over here at Google Drive file stream? Whoa, the changes that I made on Google Docs actually changed in my Word document and I opened it with Microsoft Word. That's incredible.